Hey everyone, it's Tyson at Volkswagen showing you our 2025 Taos Comfortline. This one is in the platinum gray colorway. It has the sunroof package. It's equipped with heated mirrors that also have blind spot detection, sensors all around the car. Key has, once it focuses, remote start on the key. You also get the app Volkswagen CarNet for 4 years. Big light bar in the back, and the logo will light up at night. No power tailgate, but it still has lots of space with a 60-40 split and a little ski slot. Privacy cover to hide Christmas gifts. You can also take that off and store it elsewhere if you want. Take a look at the back. We got leatherette seats. This one is black with storm gray on the sides. Vents back there for your passengers. You go in, you see the storage right there, all your window controls and mirror controls. There's the heated mirrors. Nice little blue tint on the interior. You got your driver display that is fully customizable with these buttons. Heated steering wheel here. All of your cruise control features right here, like adaptive cruise control and travel assist, as long as volume. Regular drive shifter, wireless charge pad, climate control here with heated seats and dual zone climate that you can unsync. Good screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also comes with 10-color ambient lighting. Drive mode selectors for your 4Motion control, and you can also switch it between your sport, eco, and normal and custom. Big sunroof. If you have any questions, give us a call at 613-966-333. Ask for Tyson, or you can come in at 239 North Front Street and come see it in person. Have a good day. Bye.